So inside the villa we have a device called control phone. From control phone you can see who is staying outside. You don't have to come through the door. You can open it from there. And the key card, how it works is when you press it here, you can find the green light and you can turn it to the left hand side. I'll continue home. So, a moment I can show you around the villa. Yeah. So I'll start from here. This is the emergency evacuation map. Yeah. You are just over here. The nearest emergency evacuation assembly area is the water sports center, the one I showed you. Yeah. And moving on to this side, we have a safe just over here. And laundry, you can just let me know after putting it. We have put the laundry foams just underneath the bags. And we have the washroom, indoor shower, outdoor shower, and the bathtub just over here. On to the side. So we got the hair dryer also just over here in case if you might need it. Hair dryer right now. For the beauty mirror, just this one here. And we have the light just for you, just over here if you might need it. So this is the control for device, the one I mentioned you. So when someone press the bell from outside, you can see it from here, from the camera, and you can open the door also from here. You can answer it. And from the control floor, you can control everything in the room. Fan, air conditioning, lighting, even the blinds, you can control it from here. Yeah? And you can put a do not disturb signage also from outside from this one here. Yeah? And minibar prices, you can just find it just over here under the service, and you go to this is the D&D and compendium. You can from compendium you can find all the information in the hotel, and when you go to the F&B you can find the minibar price list just over here, yeah, underneath this one. And this is our fashion bar, we call it, yeah. And we have placed in a bottle of champagne here to enjoy it, compliment from the hotel. Yeah. And all tea, coffee, water is complimentary. Tea, coffee, water is complimentary. Are you familiar with this type of coffee machine? Yeah, okay. If you have any issue, you can always have a look at the other side of the can. And the main thing is the water. You just think, we always keep it empty. Yeah? And milk is complimentary too, and the rest of the item price list you can find it from the control for device. And we have a small selected wine cellar just over here. But if you don't find what you're looking for, like I said, we have amazing wine cellar at the Italian restaurant. And if you wish to play your own music in your villa, we have placed a Bluetooth button just right behind the TV. You can just press it over here and look for a device Logitech. The speakers are in the living area and even in the bathroom. You can play your own music from it. And during the time, if you have any question, I'll pass my WhatsApp number to you. Any question, you can always let me know.
Go ahead.
With the rain, actually from the roof, colors fade into the pool, but when the day pass by, it will gonna be that color will change.